Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to build a LinkedIn job web scraper using Python and Proxy-seller. Now before we jump into the code, let me quickly introduce Proxy-seller. Proxy-seller provides high-quality proxies that are super useful for tasks like web scraping, automation, and maintaining anonymity online. Their proxies are reliable, fast, and support multiple locations, which is perfect for our use case. Also, I have inserted the relevant link in the description along with a promo code for an extra discount. So make sure to check that out. So without any further wait, let's start the video. First step is to obtain the proxy. So go to their website, and when you land on their site, head over to the By Proxy section. Here you will see multiple services. You can choose based on your task. But for this project, I am going with IPv4 proxies, which are good for most scraping tasks. Next, select the location. I'm choosing USA. After that, select the period. There are multiple options, but I'll go with 1 week. Then enter the number of IPs you want. The price will automatically be calculated. I'll go with 1 IP for this demo. Now click on By Proxy. A pop-up will appear. Here you need to enter your purpose of use. I'll write LinkedIn. Then you'll see the authorization method, username password or static IP. I'll keep it as username password. Now enter your email address, select your payment method. I'm choosing balance since I already have free credits. Finally, click on submit order. After that, complete the payment process. Once done, go to login and make sure you log in using the same Google account email you used during the order. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Now click on your profile email icon, then go to Orders. Here you'll see all your orders. Select your order and click on Export. This will download a text file containing your proxy details. Open it. And you'll see your IP, port, username, and password. Now I have already created a LinkedIn job scraper script. You can see it here. All we need to do is paste our proxy details into the proxy list section of the code. If you want this code as well, just message me on our Discord server. Now after adding the proxy, go ahead and run python main.py. At first, you might see a connection refused error, but after a moment, it connects successfully. And that's where Proxy-seller magic kicks in. Now you can see. It starts scraping jobs from LinkedIn in our specified location, USA. You can even click on the links and verify these are real job listings from LinkedIn. And yeah, that's it for today. We successfully built a LinkedIn job scraper using Python and proxies. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to check the link in the description for Proxy-seller and grab that discount. I'll see you in the next one.